Welcome to Batching Healthy Meals.
Batch cooking is a powerful way to save time while still eating nutritious home-cooked meals. By preparing dishes ahead for the week, you reduce daily stress, support your well-being, and make it easier to avoid unhealthy choices. Let's explore how smart meal batching can help you eat better while freeing up your schedule.
Why batch cooking works.
Batch cooking allows you to plan meals in advance, making grocery shopping more efficient and reducing food waste. When you dedicate a few hours to cooking multiple servings at once, you'll always have a healthy option on hand. This helps you stick to nutrition goals and avoid last-minute takeout or snacks.
Getting started with meal batching?
Start by choosing a few recipes that use overlapping ingredients. Make a shopping list that covers your weekly needs. Basic kitchen tools like storage containers and freezer bags are all you need. Pick 1 or 2 days each week to dedicate to cooking. This simple approach saves hours and reduces your daily kitchen workload.
Top tips for healthy batch meals.
Balance your meals by including lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Sauces and spices can help keep flavors interesting throughout the week. Label and date your containers so you always know what's available. Try mixing and matching different meal components to add variety without extra effort.
Maintaining wellness with batch cooking.
Batching healthy meals makes it easier to stick to nutritional goals, support weight management, and boost energy throughout the week. It also helps save money and reduce stress from daily decision-making. By making meal preparation part of your weekly routine, you set yourself up for lasting wellness and more free time.